Hi friends, welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo Japanese Everyday Food. Today I'm gonna be making Japanese potato salad. What makes potato salad Japanese? I don't think there is a huge difference from country to country, but I think it is more different from each household. Let's get started. Peel your potato and remove the eyes. Cut into small bite-sized pieces. Release in cold water to remove excess starch. Drain and put in a pot. Pour water to cover the potato barely. Add in salt and turn on the heat to medium. Put the lid on and simmer for about 5 minutes or until almost all of the liquid is gone. In this cooking method, potato doesn't lose any of flavors, and there is no chance your potato gets watery. Meanwhile, slice your cucumber and red onion with mandarin. Toss in a pinch of salt and leave it until wet. Cut your ham into small dice. Set aside until used. Transfer your cooked potato into a bowl and mash your potato to your liking while it's still hot. Do not overwork if you like chunky potato salad. Leave it until it comes to room temperature. When it comes to room temperature, add in a tablespoon of milk. Milk makes your potato salad lighter and milder. Add in 3 tablespoons of Japanese mayonnaise. I use Kewpie half mayo. I put the link in the description box below. Mix mayonnaise thoroughly. Add in ham and cucumber and onion. Squeeze out all the excess water as much as you can. Mix until combined and it's done. I always serve with ginger pork. It goes so well together. And sometimes I make a sandwich for lunch. I choose whole wheat bread for potato salad. And sometimes I make pork wrapped potato salad with leftovers. Line sliced pork belly on your working surface. Dust with flour and put half a tablespoon of potato salad. Wrap with another piece of pork belly to cover the potato, and so that the potato doesn't leak out. Place the seam side down onto a pan. Cook on medium heat and cook both sides until golden. Soak excess oil up with folded paper towel. Season with soy sauce and mirin. Reduce the sauce until shiny and it's done. Savory soy sauce-based sauce goes so well with creamy potato salad inside. My son likes it for bento lunchbox. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel for more delicious Japanese recipes and go to my website for a little recipe and more information. And follow me on my social media and tag me #PrincessBamboo so I can see your pictures. Lastly, my Amazon store has pretty much everything that I'm using in my kitchen. Thanks again and I will see you soon. Bye!